Hey everyone, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment, and today I am here with the top of the line garage door opener from LiftMaster, the 8500W, and I'm going to show you all the great features of this garage door opener. You know the saying, you get what you pay for? Well, that's exactly what is this. This is the top of the line of LiftMaster garage door opener. And why do I say that? Because this is the latest technology called jack shaft. So instead of having a rail on the ceiling of your garage, this motor ties in directly into the shaft of the garage door, eliminating the need for the rail, making it extremely silent because there is no more belt or rail. Moving is literally just the shaft inside rotating and lifting the garage door. So this motor comes with Wi-Fi, MyQ of course, battery backup. It comes with the control panel to be able to operate the motor from inside your house with a light. The light is great because this light is also a connected light. So you can turn it on and off with the app, and you can also put it wherever you want in your garage. So you can add one or two or whatever you want, but those are great connected lights, LED lights. It comes also with the 893 Max remote, which is the best remote from LiftMaster that allows you to control up to 3 LiftMaster motors. And one of my favorite features is that it comes with an extra lock for safety. So when the garage closes, locks engage automatically, and when you open it, it opens, giving you extra safety on your door. So as of all of the new garage openers from LiftMaster, this one is also MyQ enabled. What is MyQ? MyQ is an app totally free to download from LiftMaster that allows you to control from anywhere in the world your garage door, allows you to schedule who can enter and who cannot enter or activate the garage door, and allows you also to connect to Amazon Key. Amazon Key is a partnership between LiftMaster and Amazon that allows you to get your package delivered directly into your garage. And why this is great, everybody heard about rain, about wind, about porch pirates. Well, that can all be solved thanks to Amazon Key and LiftMaster. So you get a delivery from Amazon, Amazon would be aware that you have the Amazon Key. They would come up to your garage, open your garage, place the package in your garage, close the garage, and be done. You would get an alert when you get a delivery so that you can either check right away, or if you're at work, make sure that everything went well, that the garage door is closed and everything. But you can already know all that thanks to this app and Amazon Key, which makes this motor, the 8500W, a great addition to your garage. And if you're interested to know more about this garage door opener, the 8500W, you can click below and access the product page directly on our website, All Security Equipment, and get one for your garage today.